The night he finally touched football immortality, many still remembered him as the man who once stood in the shadows, a striker doubted, criticized, even cast aside, yet destined to rewrite his own story. Karim Benzema was born in Lyon, France, in a neighborhood where dreams were often smaller than reality. But from the moment he touched a ball, something felt different. His control, his vision, his calm under pressure, it wasn't just talent, it was instinct. While others chased the spotlight, Karim learned to understand the game itself. As a teenager at Olympique Lyonnais, he rose quickly. Goals came naturally, but so did expectations. By his early 20s, Europe was watching. Then came the leap, Real Madrid, a galaxy of stars. A stage where only the strongest survived. But survival wasn't easy. At Madrid, Benzema didn't become the hero people expected. Instead, he became the silent engine behind others. While the world celebrated goals from brighter stars, he sacrificed his own glory. He passed when he could shoot. He created when he could shine. And slowly, critics began to question him. Was he good enough? Was he wasting his potential? Then came the breaking point. Years of pressure, controversies off the pitch, and the ultimate blow, he was left out of the French national team for years. For many players, that would have been the end, but not for Karim. Instead of collapsing, he evolved. When the spotlight shifted and the giants around him faded, Benzema stepped forward. No longer the shadow, but the leader. His game transformed, more decisive, more ruthless, yet still intelligent. Goals started pouring in, not by chance, but by mastery. Every movement calculated, every touch meaningful. Season after season, he carried Real Madrid through impossible moments. Comebacks, last-minute goals, nights of pure magic. And finally, the world could no longer ignore him. He wasn't just a great striker, he was the complete forward. In 2022, after years of patience, resilience, and reinvention, Karim Benzema reached the peak. The Ballon d'Or, the recognition he had waited for, not as a side character, but as the main story. His journey is a reminder that greatness isn't always loud. Sometimes it's built in silence, in sacrifice, in the refusal to quit when the world doubts you. Karim Benzema didn't just prove people wrong, he proved that timing, persistence, and belief can turn shadows into legends. Subscribe to BioToons for more incredible animated stories.